Will it happen in one day? No. So what could we say about, because I said I'm used to this, but sometimes it takes time, doesn't it?
Yes.
So what can we say about that?
During that time?
Yeah, using used to, because we
Getting
can't go,
used
I
to,
wasn't used to, I am used to. What happens?
Getting used to.
Getting you. Yes. The Aussie accent? Can you say that?
I can get used to the Aussie accent.
I'm getting used to the Aussie accent.
I'm getting used
So
to
we've
the
got that going on. So we could have that happening here, like a getting used to, slowly, slowly. So we sort of go from this, I'm in the wrong place. From this, maybe to this, and then maybe slowly we're feeling a little bit better, and then, really bad, feels more. Understand? Yeah, I'm getting used to. That's a good one.
The last one is me, always last one.
Now, I want you to think about a friend in your country. You think of someone? So this is my friend. Oh, that's not the right one. Here she is. I'm going to show you, but I don't know if you can see her very well. Yeah. She actually lives in New Zealand.
Is that a lady?
Yes, lady. She comes from Rarotonga, which is an island in the Pacific, a hot place. You know, she's coming to Melbourne.
For MasterChef?
Yes, for MasterChef. How did you guess? And I was talking to her on the phone and I said, okay, her name is Pairu. And I said to you, Pairu, you'll have to get used to the weather. You know, it's very, very cold here. You know, you'll have to get used to wearing a hat, taking an umbrella, maybe sunglasses, everything in one day.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll have to get used to the weather. And also, I said to her, I know you aren't used to living in a big city. So you'll have to think about that. And you will get used to it. It might take time, but you need to just think about it and get prepared. You'll have to get used to listening to the Aussie accent. I'm still getting used to it. And you have to be getting used to it. Okay. So I want you to think about a friend from your country, and you're going to give advice about getting used to things. So what we're